So I picked up a bunch of Valentino Beauty. Let's see how it performs. I already primed my eyes. Let's start with this shade. We're gonna start with this shade and it's gonna be our transition. Taking whatever's left on the brush and I'm just gonna tap back and forth and transition it up to the brow bone. I'm gonna grab this shade on the tip of the brush and now we're gonna start to press this through here and through here on the outer part of the eye. So I'm actually going to be using one of the glitter pots. So let's swatch these two shades and we'll just swatch them right here. I'm actually pretty impressed by the eyeshadow formula. Now this is the combo I'm most excited to try. We're going to apply a little bit of the glitter primer on this brush. Let's go ahead and press that onto our eyelid. We're going to go in with the same brush and I'm going to tap that on top. Oh, I am in love. This is special. Really fast, I want you to notice that I'm gonna leave through here bare because we're gonna add liner there, and when you try to put liner on top of glitter, it's hard. Tap a little bit more of the brown eyeshadow through here. This is cool too. You have the pencil and then you have the liquid on this end. We're gonna use both. So we're gonna use, okay, that was easy. I'm gonna do a little bit of a wing. Now I'm gonna use the pencil to elongate through here and go across my waterline. Yeah, this side's not working as great. I'm sad because I love the liquid liner part. Now we're gonna apply the mascara. You're not gonna be able to see it because I have heavy eye makeup on, so we'll have to test this out again without as much eye makeup. I will say it's extremely black, and I like that for my falsies. I had to grab another liner for my waterline. So this right here, you can use it as a primer and as a top coat / highlighter. I'm gonna use some underneath my foundation, but just on the outer perimeter and high points of my face. It is really beautiful on the skin, but do keep in mind that it's really fragranced. I like the fragrance, but it's fragrant. Next up, let's try out the foundation. So it is medium coverage with a matte finish. Looks a little yellow here, but hopefully it'll dry down. Oh, that already looks better. Ooh, it looks pretty. I love the way it looks. I feel like the color's a little too yellow for me, but we're gonna bronzer and concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face off camera. We'll come back for lipstick and blush. I'm just gonna smudge the dark brown eyeshadow underneath here. I'm loving the eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna extend the inner corner more now that I have my concealer on and my powder is set. By the way, all the products that I'm not picturing here are listed in the description. I was gonna add more of this, but I feel that you can see it coming through on the cheekbone beautifully. Take a moment to take in this beautiful color. I don't even wanna mess this up. If this is as pretty on my face as it is in the pan, we're gonna be set. So I'm gonna apply it high on the cheekbone. Okay, I just found my new favorite blush. I just found it. Okay, I'm done. Last but not least, my absolute favorite. The lipstick is gorgeous. I will be picking up more of them. It feels amazing on the lips and this color is amazing. I can't really judge the mascara yet. We have to try it again. This shade was a little bit too yellow for me, but for the formula, I really did enjoy it. I just don't know if it's spectacular. We gotta try this one again too. These two right here are the standouts. Go get these immediately. This blush is stunning. This is amazing. Also get the glitter glue. Hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I love you all so much. What should I review?